Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to return leased items in Farming Simulator. First, you need to access your main game menu from any location on your farm, simply by pressing the appropriate button. This initial step is crucial for managing all your equipment, both owned and leased, ensuring efficient operation. Make sure you are not operating a vehicle, as this can sometimes prevent full menu access. We will cover each step clearly. Once you are in the main menu, navigate to the Vehicles and Tools section. This tab provides a comprehensive list of all your farm's assets, from tractors to small implements. It is your central hub for equipment management, offering a clear overview of everything. Look for a large icon, typically representing a tractor or a wrench, to easily identify this crucial section. Within the Vehicles and Tools list, leased items have a distinct visual indicator. You will typically see the word leased explicitly written next to the item's name, often in a different color or with a small icon. This clear marking helps you easily identify which equipment is currently costing you daily rental fees. Take a moment to review your entire inventory. To return an item, simply highlight the specific leased machine you want to send back. A prompt will then appear at the bottom of your screen, presenting options like return or sell. Carefully select the return option. The game will usually ask for a final confirmation, so press to confirm your choice. This action immediately stops all further lease payments. By returning equipment you no longer need, you instantly eliminate daily leasing fees, saving valuable in-game currency. This practice frees up your budget for important purchases, like land or permanent machinery. Always perform a quick check of your inventory afterward to confirm the item is no longer listed. Efficient management directly supports your farm's growth and profitability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.